Jurisprudence is the study and science of law, which includes its underlying principles, philosophy, and purpose in society. Its meaning comes from the Latin jurisprudentia, knowledge of law, and involves a broad scope that examines legal concepts, legal reasoning, and the social and moral impact of law. The importance of jurisprudence lies in its ability to clarify legal concepts, develop critical legal thinking, and provide a framework for understanding and improving legal systems and their application. Meaning. 1. Literal meaning, derived from the Latin words juris, law, and prudentia, knowledge or skill. Jurisprudence literally means the knowledge or science of law. 2. Broader meaning, it is the theory and philosophy of law that goes beyond specific statutes to understand the nature, purpose, and function of law in society. And 3. Fields of study, it examines fundamental legal principles, legal reasoning, legal institutions, and the relationship between law and concepts like justice, morality, and social order. Scope. 1. Broad and inclusive. The scope of jurisprudence is not limited to specific rules but encompasses all aspects of human conduct and order within a state and society. 2. Analysis of concepts. It includes the study of basic legal concepts such as property, ownership, liability, and punishment. 3. Legal systems. It involves the study of different legal systems, both national and comparative. And 4. Social context. It analyzes the social impact of law, the role of law in achieving justice, and the relationship between legal rules and social realities. Importance. 1. Develops legal reasoning. Jurisprudence helps develop analytical and critical thinking skills for students, lawyers, and judges. 2. Clarifies legal concepts. It provides clarity in understanding the fundamental principles of law and helps in deriving the proper interpretation of laws. 3. Informs legal practice. It helps lawyers and judges form better legal practice by providing insight into the deeper principles of law. 4. Fills legal gaps. It can guide judges in cases where the law is silent, helping them to arrive at just decisions based on sound jurisprudential principles. And 5. Provides a foundation for law. It serves as the grammar of law, by providing the fundamental principles upon which legal rules are built, making the law more manageable and rational. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and leave a comment if you have any thoughts or questions.